Hello, and thank you for visiting our video series from Zora. Today we're going to talk about mineral salts. Mineral salts are a product that we sell. We've sold for the last dozen or more years out of the Netherlands, and it's a product that's called AquaFinesse. It comes in a box, and what you're going to see is a case. Inside of that case, there's going to be a container of chlorine spa tabs and two 2-liter bottles of liquid mineral salt AquaFinesse product, as well as a cup. Now on the side of the cup, it's got measurements right on the side, both in milliliters and ounces. So the concept behind mineral salts, what we're really doing is we're stopping the oils that are present in a hot tub just from our sweat and normal stuff from sticking to the side of the tub. And the premise is that if we stop that, we can reduce the amount of bromine or chlorine that we're going to use in the tub, because our bacteria is not going to stick to the side of the tub, but is going to go to the filter. And so the purpose of this is to reduce the amount of sanitizer in the water for a healthier swim or a healthier soak. The side effect as well, though, is mineral salts give you a very clean skin, which oftentimes people will talk about a very soft, silky feeling to the skin. And because we're using less bromine or chlorine in our spa, then we're not going to have the coarseness of the sanitizer, so we're not going to have itchy skin, it's not going to be dry skin, and of course we're not going to have the smell of the chlorine or bromine. So the real benefit of using this product is always going to be in conjunction with the sanitizer, but allowing us to use less. So the way this works is we're going to apply this as a liquid by a volume in the cup based on the volume of how many liters of water that your hot tub holds. And the way this is set up is you really want to try and remember as much as possible to be able to, make sure that you kind of stir the material up, either give the jug a shake from end to end or side to side, just so that all of that mineral salts that is settled can work into the solution. So we're just going to look on the chart on the back of the bottle. It'll tell us how much we want to put in based on the size of our hot tub. So an example would be here that if our hot tub was 1,300 liters, it'd be 210 milliliters of the mineral salt product. And so we're literally just going to give it a shake, fill up the cup up to the 210 milliliter mark, and then just dump it right into the spa. Whenever you're adding chemicals to a spa, it's a good idea to have a pump running. And the idea is just to get good dispersion into the water. So as long as we've got water movement, then we're going to have the chemicals that are going to be diluting and dissolving into the water at a faster rate. Mineral salts, the packaging, it comes with the tabs. Now just remember, it's a small bottle of tabs, but because we're using less chlorine in this case, they've actually sort of provisioned it so that these tabs should be about the right amount for the volume of what's in these two jugs. So when you run out of these, you're probably going to run out of this. Now, a good idea to have extra of this on hand, because take into account heavy bather loading. There's been a party, hurt my back at work, want to stay in the hot tub longer, more often for a few nights or a week or two, then we're going to use more chlorine. So it is possible that you're going to run out of chlorine before you run out of the mineral salt product. Still going to rinse our filter on a weekly basis like we always do. The only difference here is that we're going to have a much more comfortable sort of bather effect from the mineral salts, and not only are we going to feel good because of it, but it's going to be healthier for us. So the purpose for using mineral salts: enjoy your hot tub and enjoy yourself. So thank you for attending this video series. We're going to have additional video series on how to use your control pad, how to remove and clean your filter and reinstall. So feel free anytime to jump back on our website and take a look. Okay, thanks.